How to fix self-protection failed or error code 4. In this video, I'll show you a quick troubleshooting step for you to fix self-protection failed or error code 4. The very first thing that you want to do is to go into your Windows search and then access your Windows firewall. Just simply type it in and then simply choose on Windows Defender Firewall and you will have this window. Next is go into Advanced Settings and then in here choose on Inbound Rules. Click on New Rule and then from here choose in Program and Next. Now under this program path, simply browse and look for your game with the logo in it. So for example, this one, hit on Next and then choose on Block the connection and go on Next again and make sure that these options like domain, private, and public all are thick or have a check mark in it and then tap on Next and follow on screen prompts. And that's how you fix self-protection failed or error code 4.